Hey, it's Yvette Garfield with Handstand Kids. Let's start baking today from our cookbook kit. We're gonna make some French vanilla cupcakes with whipped buttercream filling and Nutella frosting. Let's get cooking. We've already baked off these beautiful French vanilla cupcakes, and Victoria here, my helper, has taken a little grapefruit spoon and helped me pour this out. Does that look good? Not yet, right? Because we need our filling and we need our frosting. We have about a half a cup of peanut butter. Try to use organic when we're using peanuts. I'm gonna give you a spoon. Let's get all that out. And then do you want to add in the powdered sugar for me?
Yes.
It's called confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. And what's this?
Butter.
Butter, how'd you know? These are the 3 easy ingredients for our peanut butter filling. We're gonna go ahead and give this a mash up. This is actually called creaming. We're mixing the wet and the dry ingredients together to make a nice filling. We are going to use a teaspoon. Just go ahead and we're gonna, right where we made that little hole, we're just gonna go ahead and fill that in. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna put my filling in. This is the rich peanut butter filling. All right, so there's our filling. Now we're gonna make our Nutella frosting. We just mixed up a little bit of Nutella, butter, and confectioner sugar. Same ingredients, but we switched out with Nutella. So you can get these frosting bags in any grocery store. They're really fun, they're disposable, and they make frosting very professional looking. So you want to squeeze all that frosting down to the bottom. Can you do that? Squeeze it all so it gets down to the bottom here. So you just give it a tiny little snip and then go ahead and you can start frosting them. So we just finished up these amazing French vanilla cupcakes with the peanut butter filling and the Nutella frosting. Victoria and I made these today, and I went ahead and made these a little bit earlier. So you get that homemade, kid-friendly feel, and then if you're having a more decadent adult party, you can get a little more polished look. But both are equally delicious. How do you think we did today?
Perfect.
We did perfect. Thanks for baking with us today. I'm Yvette Garfield with Handstand Kids Cookbook Company. Hope you thoroughly enjoyed making those French vanilla cupcakes with whipped peanut butter filling and Nutella frosting.